What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.3. And as you can see, I do not have Cydia, I'm not jailbroken. Now, what you do is simply on your iOS device, you start your Safari browser and you head over to this address here. Jailbreakit.net. Now, here they will tell you how it works, and they will tell you that you can't install Cydia because it's an app that Apple has not approved. So they have simply hidden the jailbreak in Cydia inside of an app that has been approved by Apple. So you can install this app. And then when you start this app, then the jailbreak in Cydia will be installed in the background. You can read this for yourself. But anyway, go to the site jailbreakit.net and then scroll to the bottom and click on this little icon here. Now you will be taken to the free Jailbreak injected app store. Now here you are going to look for apps, just apps. There are some other crap here, fill it up, I don't know why, but anyway, we want the apps. So I'm just going to pick an app. Doesn't really matter which app you choose, all of the apps are free, and all of the apps are jailbreak injected. So now we are just going to install this, and when we do, let's see, and it's downloading now. Yeah. When we start this, then we're going to keep it running for about 30 seconds because the jailbreak in Cydia needs time to install and prepare in the background. So now we are simply going to start the app that we downloaded, and you just need to keep it running for about 30 seconds. You don't need to do anything in the app. We should see pretty soon if it works or not. But you should see something within 30 seconds. But there we go. If you don't see anything within 30 seconds, then it simply means that that app has been patched and you need to try another one. Yes, I know I don't have a SIM card. And there's Cydia. And we're now jailbroken on the new iOS 12.1.3. It is going to ask you to update the files here. Just click upgrade there. But as you can see, everything is working fine. And really, that's how easy it is to get jailbroken on the new iOS 12.1.3. And as always, you know the drill. Comment, rate, and subscribe and everything. And tell me what you think and how this jailbreak worked for you. And thank you for watching, and have a good one. Bye.